you and ang kapatid namin dito, Senator Raffy Tulfo, dalawang matinding pangangailangan. Food security on the one hand, shelter on the other hand, and Senator Tulfo had taken it up on the perspective of, we have to protect our agricultural lands against all of these conversions. You may also made the point, however, that but we also need settlement. We need to create.
But what he's talking about there is he was telling me that we built a community, a home project, and a mall in a certain place in Isabela, but that place is a city. Yung Kawayan City, I was telling him, usually the developers, they don't build houses in the farmlands. Nobody will buy in the farmlands. Usually, we build our development in the city or capital towns because even the people, they will buy in the cities because they want also that the house that they bought, if they want to sell it, they can sell it. Who will buy homes in the farmlands? So, hindi naman kami abusive na we build all over the Philippines. We only build in the cities.